Bermaz Auto Berhad. I'll start by taking a look at the weekly chart first. And this is the weekly chart. And as you can see, the stock is in a nice weekly uptrend. How do we know it's in a nice weekly uptrend? Because it's making higher highs and higher lows. So when a stock is in a weekly uptrend, the dips and the breakouts are actually viable. And the odds are for this stock continue to move higher is very good. As long as it's in uptrend, there's no slowing down of uptrend momentum. Most likely the stock is going to continue to make highs. Okay, but this is a monthly chart, and it's always good to look at the monthly chart to know where we are. So this is a resistance area. The stock has actually went up quite a lot from $1 to 240. Right now it's touching a resistance area, so don't be surprised it's going to take some time to move up. Now usually if there's a former high, the second time it goes up to the former high, people who lost money here will actually take profits here, but that is why you see a big sell-off here. But the third time is usually the time where it is possible for the stock to break up higher and go above this former highs and make new all-time highs. So my odds is that because of this technical analysis and psychology is that as long as the monthly 20 MA is rising, okay, there's a high possibility that it might make new all-time highs. Because imagine people who lost money here, they already recovered their losses here and sell off. By the third time it reaches here, those who have lost money would have already sold here. So this is a new buyers stepping in since 2021. It's a bit of psychology lah. Sometimes you need to use a bit of common sense, you know. Second time, if it reaches a resistance area, it's difficult. But the third time, usually it can overcome. So this is the weekly chart. Okay, when you look at the weekly chart again, we can actually draw an uptrend line. There are a few ways to look at the stock, okay, whether it's still healthy or not. And one of the ways is using the trend line. Trend line are very simple things, but it's very effective. You see, it connect the low here, low here, low here, low here, lows here. And what we can draw from this is simple. As long as this stock stays above this weekly uptrend line, okay, stay bullish buyers. Okay, simple. So any dips are usually buyable. Let's take a look at the nearest support area here. This is the nearest support area here. Because why? This is the old high. Stock move from here up, overcome the old high. This is gonna be the new support area. So you wanna take this support area, and as long as this Bermaz Auto stays above this support area, you wanna be bullish in the mid-term and long-term. Now I'm gonna go back to the daily chart. Okay, daily chart. This is support area, and look up here, this is a resistance area, okay, which is why the stock forms a rounded top here, because it's trying to overcome the resistance. It's not easy, but eventually it will overcome, okay, if it stays above this what we call support area. I've highlighted it in green for you to see. So recently it just broke above a downtrend line. Okay, you can actually draw, it's kind of like a triangle pattern, a daily chart. Not really triangle, but important is it breaks above this downtrend line. And there's a bullish cross here. And what you want to do is you can actually draw this consolidation here. Okay. So if it continues to break out above this box, I can tell you most likely it's gonna go higher from there. Okay. Always look at this support area. Okay, if it stays above this support area, then you continue to be bullish. So hope this simple analysis helps you. And I'll see you in the next one.